Looking for a great tablet without spending a lot? This list of the best tablets under 200 highlights devices that balance performance, battery life, and features. Perfect for school, streaming, browsing, and everyday use on a budget. Whether you want something lightweight for reading or a reliable screen for videos and games, these tablets offer solid value without breaking the bank. Starting at number 1, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. A budget-friendly Android tablet with an 11 big screen and 1920 x 1200 resolution, this Samsung model delivers smooth, everyday performance with its upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and multitasking features like split-screen multi-window. It has quad speakers for louder, more immersive audio, a slim and lightweight design that's durable and kid-friendly, and 64 GB of storage expandable via microSD. Running Android with Samsung's interface, it's a great choice for streaming, browsing, schoolwork, and family use. Number 2. SVITOO Tablet, 11-inch 15 tablet. The SVITOO inch Android 15 tablet is a feature-packed budget tablet perfect for everyday use. It offers a large 11:12 8800 in-cell display for clear visuals, an octa-core processor, 12 GB RAM, and 128 GB of storage expandable up to 1 TB, ensuring smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps and media. The tablet includes a 13MP rear camera and 8MP front camera for photos and video calls, an 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting use, and convenient features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and face unlock. Its gray, slim, and durable design makes it suitable for both adults and kids, offering a versatile, budget-friendly tablet experience. Number 3, WXUNJA Android 15 Tablet. The WXUNJA Android 15 Tablet, 11-inch, 12 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, is an affordable and versatile Android tablet that's great for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, schoolwork, and light gaming. It runs on Android 15 with a Unisoc T606 octa-core processor and 12 GB RAM via expansion, giving smooth performance for apps and multitasking. The 11er's 1280-800 HD display supports Widevine L1, so you can enjoy higher quality streaming on services like Netflix and YouTube. With 128 GB of storage that's expandable up to 1 TB, there's plenty of space for files and media. Its 8000 mAh battery delivers around 8 to 10 hours of use per charge and supports 18W fast charging, while dual cameras, 5MP front, 8MP rear, dual band Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, and features like face unlock add extra value. A protective case is included too, making it a solid choice for budget buyers. Number 4. Aobante Android 15 Tablets. The Aobante Tablet 10-inch 2025 Android 15 is a budget-friendly Android tablet that delivers solid everyday performance for browsing, streaming, schoolwork, and light multitasking. It runs on Android 15 with a 10.1 1212 80x800 HD IPS display that's wide enough for movies and web content, and its octa-core processor paired with 18 GB RAM, 6 GB physical, plus 12 GB virtual, and 128 GB internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB, provides plenty of space and smooth app handling. The tablet also supports Widevine L1, so you can stream HD content from services like Netflix, and features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and dual cameras, 5MP front and 8MP rear for video calls and photos. Its 6000 mAh battery keeps you going through moderate use, making this a versatile choice for casual users on a budget. Number 5. CUPEISI Android 15 Tablet. The CUPEISI Android 15 Tablet 10-inch is a budget-friendly, versatile tablet running the latest Android 15.0 operating system with Google GMS certification for access to the Play Store and apps. It includes a 2.0 GHz quad-core processor paired with 20 GB RAM, 4 GB physical, plus 16 GB virtual, and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB with a microSD card for plenty of space for files and media. The 10.1 IPS HD display, 1280x800, supports Widevine L1, so you can stream HD content. And the tablet comes with 8 MP plus 2 MP cameras, 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 6,000 mAh battery for reliable daily use. What sets it apart in this price range is the included 2-in-1 keyboard case, wireless mouse, and stylus, so you can use it like a mini laptop for work, study, or creative tasks.